Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm gonna show you guys how to disassemble a BMX bike. Alright guys, first I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna flip it around. Just like so. It's 15 millimeters, but it seems like it's not here for some reason. I checked here too, even for a wrench, but I either have a 14 or a 16. Well, this one's, you can loosen it with your hand. Same thing on this side. Loosen it on this side, and you got it on this side. You should just be able to take it out. Now, since we have the front wheel taken out, now we have to do the rear. Same thing. That's a 19 millimeter. Sorry. So this fits on this side. So here I have a wrench. So make sure it's loosened with my hand. Now for the other side. 19 millimeter and a chisel. So first I got a 19 millimeter. Let's see. As you guys can see, it works. So I took the knot, put it back on. Like to go like that, just take it out. Now this rear wheel's out. I'm gonna try to take out the whole pedal. So I'm gonna try to take it out from over here. And I believe this is 6. So get the 6. That's really tight. But I got it loose. God. We got this side out as well. Now for these should just slide off like that. This one slides out with the sprocket. So I'm gonna loosen that up. Yep, loosened it up. So now we're gonna take the handlebar mount off. So in order to do that, we're gonna grab our 6 Allen keys, size 6, loosen off 4 up. So when you take the last one off, it'll come out with the whole bracket just like this. So now, what I want to do is take the front fork off, and in order to do that, there's a bolt on the top here. So there's this. Okay, so now before you actually take the top one off, top bolt, you need to loosen up these 2 from the sides here. So they're size 6 as well. All you gotta do is loosen those up. The other side as well. And now you can actually get the top. So now you can actually get the top. Oh, once you get the top, this is for the top here. Top bracket off. just like so. Now you can actually take this little washer out. Take this brake line off out of the way. And I could just lightly take it out. And now you have the whole frame by itself pretty much. Hey guys, so I'm gonna put my bike back together, as you guys can see. Let me just get my tools real quick. Allen wrenches. I'm pretty much gonna use the 6 and the 5. And then of course, you're gonna need your socket and stuff, so. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take the brakes off just because I want to take them off. I don't want to have them at all, so there's 2 Allen keys here. I'm gonna have to loosen this up. It's a 5. It's just loose, so we take it out. There you go, it's out already. Grab this side. So if this is up, it has to be just the opposite. So if this is up, this is down. Put the bolt back in. Yep, this is to the left. Of the bike, here we go. Slide that in there. Then you slide the top bearing on there. Make sure it sits properly. It's sitting there pretty good. Then you got the spacer. Then you put the front head. There we go. So take these out. The handlebar. Make sure it's straight. Hey guys, so we're about to cut we're gonna cut 2 inches off each side of the handlebar, and we're gonna cut part of the seat bar right here. Alright guys, we're gonna cut the handlebars. We're going to the back of the barracks. Safety first, glasses, ear pro, hard hat. Alright, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna remove this the seat. seat off. And then we're gonna cut it. Alright guys, so we have the bike right here. Took the seat off. Got the grinder already to cut it. And then we also have safety fire extinguisher just in case. It says empty, but don't worry about that. Then a hard hat. They're making us wear hard hats, so I don't think we are, but nobody knows about that. See, I think just like half of that.
Half?
Yeah, just half.
So you said right at the end of these? I'll give it like a couple a little bit.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yeah, I got some. I got a file and everything. We can file it flat. Yeah, I got some. I got a file and everything. We can file it flat.
Hell yeah. Perfect. So I cut the sides of the handlebar, 2 inches off each side. I also cut the seat too. And we cut like 3 inches off the seat, and 2 inches off the handlebars of each side. I'm gonna weigh this and see how much weight we lost. So we just cut the bike. We're gonna go to the shop and file the freaking the cuts we did. I have no brakes
Back
anymore. We're back at it again with no brakes. I got my dirty shoes so I can actually brake with these shoes. Yeah, but we're gonna go to the shop right now to file these.